Welcome to Muscle Mind Health. Get ready to ignite your inner strength and push your limits in today's workout to strengthen those inner pelvic floor muscles. Today's lineup of exercises is
Stretching butterfly yoga pose, stretching spine stretch, side curl, stretching bridge pose, kneeling push-ups, stretching flexion leg sit up, bonus exercise.
Get ready for the first exercise. Watch the video until the end and do not miss any exercises.
Stretching butterfly yoga pose. To perform stretching butterfly yoga pose, sit with your feet together, knees bent outward, and gently bring your feet toward your pelvis. Hold your feet with your hands and flutter your knees up and down, feeling a gentle stretch in your hips and thighs. This exercise promotes flexibility and relaxation. Benefit: relieves tension in the hips and lower back, promoting relaxation and flexibility.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Benefit of spine stretch: improves spinal flexibility and posture, alleviating back discomfort.
Get ready.
Stretching spine stretch. To perform stretching spine stretch, sit with your legs extended, feet flexed. Inhale, raise your arms overhead, and exhale as you reach forward, aiming to touch your toes. Feel the stretch in your spine and hamstrings. This exercise enhances spinal flexibility and posture. Improves spinal flexibility and posture, alleviating back discomfort.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Benefit of side curl: strengthens oblique muscles, enhances core stability and balance.
Get ready.
Side curl. To perform side curl, right and left, lie on your side, legs bent, and curl your upper body towards your knees. Switch sides for balance. This exercise strengthens the oblique muscles, tones the core, and enhances balance and stability. Strengthens oblique muscles, enhances core stability and balance.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Benefit of bridge pose: stretches and relaxes the spine, chest, and neck, reducing stress.
Get ready.
Stretching bridge pose. To perform stretching bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana, lie on your back with knees bent, feet hip-width apart. Inhale, lift your hips while pressing into your feet and shoulders. Hold briefly, then lower. Bridge pose stretches the spine, chest, and neck, improving flexibility and relieving stress. Stretches and relaxes the spine, chest, and neck, reducing stress.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Benefit of kneeling push-ups: builds upper body strength and is beginner-friendly.
Get ready.
Kneeling push-ups. To perform kneeling push-ups, kneel on all fours, hands aligned with shoulders. Lower your chest towards the ground and push back up. Kneeling push-ups build upper body strength and are a great option for beginners. Builds upper body strength and is beginner-friendly.
Ten seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Benefit of Flexion Leg Sit Up strengthens the core and enhances flexibility.
Get ready.
Stretching Flexion Leg Sit Up. To perform stretching Flexion Leg Sit Up, lie on your back with one leg extended and the other bent. Reach towards your toes with your extended leg while lifting your upper body. Switch legs. This exercise strengthens the core and improves flexibility. Strengthens the core and enhances flexibility.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Bonus exercise weight is over. Today we have added pike to cobra push-ups exercise as bonus exercise.
Get ready.
Pike to cobra push-ups. To perform pike to cobra push-ups, start in a pike position with hips up, then transition into a cobra pose by lowering your hips and arching your back. Push back up into the pike. This bonus exercise combines strength and flexibility. Benefit of pike to cobra push-ups combines strength and flexibility for a challenging workout.
Ten seconds left. Congratulations on completing the workout. Remember, every rep brings you closer to your goals. Keep up the great work. Stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.